Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all chat history on Chatgpt. So for you to be able to delete all the chat history on the GPT app, here's how you can get it done. Open your GPT app on your phone, then you tap on the two lines button at the left top corner of the screen. You tap on the two lines, then you tap on your name, which is your profile name. You tap on it. Then from there, then you tap on the data control, then you tap on delete all chat. So from here, you have the access to delete all your chat history with Chatgpt, and that's it. So for you to confirm this, you have to hit the confirm button. So with that, all your previous chat history on the GPT app will be cleared off, and you can now build another set of chat history with the AI, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.